Welcome to the Mitel Performance Analytics Education video series. My name is Ben Tucker, Sales at Martello Technologies. I'll be your guide for the video today on MPA setup and how to install a virtual appliance OVA probe. Mitel Performance Analytics, or MPA, is a fault and performance management system designed to provide users with visibility into their network and tools for fast, actionable network problem resolution. MPA provides real-time alerts, detailed reporting, and accessibility with secure remote access capabilities. The probe is a piece of software that runs on a host in the customer LAN or on a dedicated server appliance. The probe monitors customer devices and reports to MPA, as well as provides secure remote access to a customer LAN once enabled. The following types of probes can be deployed: virtual appliance or the OVA, Linux probe, Windows probe, hardware probe. In this video, we will go through the steps of installing an OVA probe. To add a probe to your MPA system, click on the New Device menu from the System Administration menu. Select the Martello probe from the list of device types and click on Next. Name the probe and the rest can be left on default settings for the purpose of installation. Which brings us to this page. A probe has now been added to your MPA system. To install a probe, you must have a probe installer administrative permission in MPA. Probe software is available from the probe configuration panel on the probe dashboard. The system provides a VMware OVA that can be installed as a virtual machine, VM. This VM contains an Ubuntu Linux installation with the probe software pre-installed. Configure the memory and the resource allocation for the VM so that it meets the RAM requirements. For more details on resource allocation, please refer to the probe installation guide. A link is provided in the video description. To install and configure the virtual appliance. Select the Virtual Appliance tab and download the OVA file from the probe software panel. Install the OVA file according to the VMware instructions. Start the VM and connect to it using SSH or the VMware console. Once you've completed the installation, log in with the username config and the password config. For your first login, you'll then be prompted to change your password. By default, the VM is configured to use DHCP. If you want to change it to a static IP address, please check with the probe installation and configuration guide for the details. Console, run sudo bootstrapper-config to configure the probe. When prompted, enter the hostname and press enter. If prompted, review and trust a TLS certificate to completely configure the probe. Back on the MPA probe dashboard, generate the PIN by clicking on the Generate PIN button and take note of the hostname and the PIN displayed on the page. Enter the PIN when prompted and press enter. This runs the configuration process and a confirmation message is displayed, indicating the MarProbe service is restarting. The configuration process might take up to 2 minutes. This completes the installation of the virtual appliance. Please note, if you receive a timeout message, this could be due to a firewall blocking it. Please go through the documentation for more details on troubleshooting. Now back to the MPA dashboard. This is what a fully operational probe looks like from the device information panel, and it will check in every 15 minutes. Learn more. We hope you've enjoyed the probe installation video. Visit MyFo info channel or mytel.com for more details. Please check the video description for links to more demo videos and the documents referenced in this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos in the future.